Ready to ditch those boring text-only messages and level up your Aisensy game with eye-catching images? First, navigate to your Aisensy dashboard and click on the WhatsApp section in the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic happens for your WhatsApp campaigns. Now, either create a new campaign or edit an existing one. You'll see the message composition area, which is currently just a blank canvas for your amazing content. Look for the attached media icon, usually represented by a paperclip. Click on it. This will open up options to add different types of media to your message. A file explorer window will pop up. Browse your computer to find the perfect image you want to include. Remember, choose an image that is relevant to your message and visually appealing. Let's select this image of a product on sale, for example. Once you've selected your image, it will appear within the message composition area. Now, you can add text above and below the image to provide context, details, or a call to action. For example, above the image, let's type in flash sale, 50% off. And below the image, type shop now before it's too late. Before sending, always preview your message to ensure the image and text look exactly as you intended on a mobile screen. This ensures a seamless experience for your audience. Finally, schedule your campaign or send it immediately. Your recipients will now receive your message with the stunning image you just added. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Aisensy message, boosting engagement and making your campaigns more effective. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.